Media statement, Sunday, March 23, 2025. Prime Minister James Marape has commended Parliament for its overwhelming support in passing the Income Tax Bill 2025, with a resounding vote of 79-0, describing it as a monumental step towards eradicating outdated colonial laws and establishing a fairer, more equitable taxation system for Papua New Guinea. Speaking during the parliamentary debate on Friday, Prime Minister Marape acknowledged the bill as a critical component of his government's Take Back PNG agenda. The Prime Minister praised the bipartisan support received for the bill, which he described as an essential aspect of revisiting and modernizing the fundamental architecture that holds the country together. For 66 years, the original law governing our nation's taxation system has been in place, having been passed by the Australian Parliament before our independence. Since then, revenue administration has been governed by this law, resulting in inadequate revenue collection, Prime Minister Marape said. No wonder why our revenue has been poor for such a long time. He added that the passing of the Income Tax Bill 2025 is a significant move towards resetting Papua New Guinea's sovereignty over its economic affairs. This new law reflects our commitment to fairness and transparency. It secures our people's economic future by clarifying the taxation process, especially for our rural communities and first-time homebuyers, he stated. The Prime Minister emphasized that the bill addresses several critical areas, including revenue collection, price transfers, capital gains, and depreciation. He noted that the previous legislation allowed for ambiguities and loopholes that foreign companies exploited to the detriment of Papua New Guinea's revenue base. Modernization and simplification of tax laws. The Income Tax Bill 2025 is a comprehensive rewrite of the 1959 Income Tax Act, which had grown overly complex over the years with amendments upon amendments. According to the Prime Minister, the Act failed to keep pace with Papua New Guinea's evolving economy and aspirations for economic independence. The outdated system was hard to read and understand, with numerous loopholes that allowed clever accountants to exploit the system. He remarked. The reform process, which began with recommendations from the Sir Nagora Bogan Tax Review Committee in 2015, was aimed at simplifying and consolidating the old Act. Notable achievements include the reduction of sections from 369 to 165 and the reduction of pages from over 500 to just under 180% reduction.